we've had to repair a couple of our bracelets recently, so I'm going to show you how to properly wear these brass cuffs. Don't try to, you know, wear them from the front. It's not going to work. Don't try to bend them. That's the worst thing you can do. And don't try to bend them this way either. So don't do that. So what you want to do is make sure it's, you know, still in its original C shape, and wear it on from the side of your wrist. That's what you gotta do. Don't try to force your way. You can open it up just a little bit, but don't try to maintain the shape. There's a soft part of your arm that you can press into, and just slide it in that way. I'll show you again from the side, and then you can tighten it if you want to.